Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Israr Ahmad and you are watching Smart Tech. Today I will do the unboxing of a Bluetooth AirDots and that is Anker Soundcore Life P2. Also discuss about the build quality of the Bluetooth, call quality, mic quality and the battery life of this device later on in this video. So without wasting your further time, let's start the video. But before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe it now and push the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our latest videos. Let's get back to the video now. Alright, I have the product with me now. If you look at the box at the front side, you can see the branding of the product Soundcore Anker Life P2. At the bottom, there is some main features 40 hours playtime, 10 minutes charge, 1 hour playtime, IPX7 waterproofing. So let's open the box and see what we have in the box. First thing you will notice is the earbuds with charging case very well packed. You got some paperwork as well. Let's put them aside and see what else we have in the box. Here we have 4 pairs of ear tips in different sizes, which you can change according to your ear size. Charging cable as well with Type-C connectivity. Alright, we are finished with it. Let's have a look at the earbuds. Well, the earbuds are looking quite impressive. First I will take it out and I will connect it with my mobile device. Then we will see what it is actually delivering it to us. Here we have the Bluetooth with some impressive design and build quality. First I have to remove these paper from it, and after turning it on I will connect it with my mobile device. By the time it's connecting, I have to tell you that each earbud comes with 7 hours of battery life and you will get 40 hours of additional battery time with charging case. Here we got the earbuds in our Bluetooth menu. Let's connect it with the device. Alright, it is connected now. You can see. Very easy pairing process, just like other Bluetooth devices. This Bluetooth light will continue to blinking if it's not in use. If you listen to music or receive the call, it will be turned off automatically. The moment you will put it in the charging case, it will be automatically disconnected from your mobile device. Next time if you want to connect it, all you have to do is just take it out from the charging case. It will be connected to your mobile device automatically. Just like you are seeing it right now, it will be automatically connected to your mobile. Here you go, it is connected now. If we talk about its microphone, it comes with two microphones at each earbuds, one at the top and one at the bottom. This one at the bottom and the other one you will see at the top. I will test its mic quality and let's see whether it is good for calling or not. Alright guys, the voice you are listening right now is coming from Anker Soundcore Live P2. Let me know in the comment how is the mic quality. If we talk about its sound quality, it's come with a pretty decent sound. You will hear a pretty loud sound in this Bluetooth. If you are listening to the music, you won't be able to hear any kind of noise from outside. The other thing some people want while listening to the music is the bass. If we talk about the bass, it comes with a pretty decent bass as well in this Bluetooth device. Last but not the least, if you are wondering how is the comfort level of this Bluetooth, then I have to tell you that the design of these Bluetooth is built in such a way that it's fit very well in your ear. And if you are using it while running or exercise, it will not fall from your ear. The other good thing of these Bluetooth is it's come with IPX7 rating. It means it is water resistant. So if you are sweating or outside in little bit of rain, you can use it without any worries. Alright, this is all I have from these Bluetooth for you. Let me know in the comment if you like the review or not.